Hello, good morning. What's up everybody? This is Ankur Barik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let's begin with the product features that you have seen for Bluetooth intercom ASG SG5 that I have just made an installation video last time. If you have not seen it yet, I will leave you in the description below. Just go and check it out. So let's start with the product features. So as the model number says, it's ASG5 Bluetooth intercom. So this intercom helps you in your daily rides when you are riding solo or also when you're riding with your fellow group friends. So let's begin with the first point, that is Bluetooth 4.1 EDR. Right now I am just going to share my screen with you so that you can have a better picture of what are the features, what are the details in it, and let's start.
So the version of the Bluetooth that is provided with ASG SG5 is 4.1 plus EDR. So what does this flow 4.1 mean? So the Bluetooth and 4G LTE famously don't get on. Their signals interfere, degrading one another's performance and draining battery life. Thus, Bluetooth 4.1 eliminates this by coordinating its radio with 4G automatically, so there is no overlap and both can perform at their maximum potential. Let's move on to check on few other things about this Bluetooth 4.1 that is supported in this device.
So now that we have seen the Bluetooth version, let's also see about the frequency and the profile it uses to operate. So let's check out the frequency that we have here. It's 2.4 GHz and the profile that it uses is AVRCP.
So Bluetooths were originally designed to exchange a lot of data at close range in continuous streaming data applications. The devices are able to both send and receive data at the same time. This is just perfect for these Bluetooth intercoms.
The profile that it uses, it's AVRC. It helps in remotely accessing the other devices that are connected to your Bluetooth intercom. So the supported functions that it has is play, pause, stop, next, previous, and also to reject or receive your calls remotely. So let's move on to the next set of features that we have here. So let's talk about the Bluetooth range or the operating range that we have here and the intercom range that you might be confused about. So the operating range of the Bluetooth device is 10 meters and the intercom connectivity range. So then don't get confused about it. And the intercom to intercom range for your fellow riders, which is maximum up to 8 riders, and a distance it covers as 1000 meters. So now let's see the battery that is provided in this device. 900 mAh lithium ion 3.7 volts rechargeable battery. Find it, rechargeable. So you can recharge it on the go. So approximately it takes almost around 3 hours to charge the battery. So now suppose you have drained this battery for a prolonged use. So just connect your micro USB charger to this point and you can charge it on the go simultaneously while using it. So this is good, but it's just only that you have to carry one more charging cable in your backpack for your long rides. Hope ASG fixes this with a new Type-C cable charging port for the upcoming device. Let's hope. And now let's talk about the last thing that we have as a resistance here, which is a very good property. This device is certified with IP65, which supports or which delivers both dust and water resistance.
So what is IP rating? IP ratings are defined in international standard as EN 60529. They are used to define levels of sealing effectiveness of electrical enclosures against intrusions from foreign bodies such as tools, dirts, and moisture. So now comes in a question that what do these numbers in the IP rating mean? The numbers that follows in IP each have a specific meaning. The first indicates the degree of protection from moving parts as well as the protection of enclosed equipment from foreign bodies. And the second defines the protection level that the enclosure enjoys from various forms of moisture, dips, sprays, submersions, etc. So here we have received a IP65 rating enclosure, which depicts that IP is rated as dust tight and protection against water projected from a nozzle.
So alright my friends, I end the video here. If you have watched this video till this end, do hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button, and do not forget to hit the bell icon for more videos to come. So till then, for the next vlog, stay safe, ride safe and keep rocking. Bye bye.